Hello guys, welcome to another quick video. Today we have a quick project. We finally received our front locking hubs and we will be installing those today. So let's go ahead here. It snowed pretty good last night. See if we can get these off. Get the snow off out of there. All right. That's a pretty good layer of snow. See what we have in here. It's not so terribly cold as it looks. Oh, this is frozen shut. Oh, finally I got it up. Ooh, that's some heavy snow. That's some pretty heavy snow. I'm gonna do a cold start. Let's get the bumper up and open. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that was quite some heavy snow. Very wet and heavy. So first things first, let's find out what the temperature is today. Thermostat housing, we have it there on the side. Where's the laser? Still calibrating, I think. It's new instrument, I'm still learning how to use it. Oh, there. Okay. 18 degrees, minus 18 centigrade. Let's look at the red housing out here. Minus 14. Minus 13.8. This black cover right here. 14, minus 15. Right there. Minus 16. Minus 16. Let's look for somewhere on the engine block. Right there. Minus 17. And in Fahrenheit, what would that be? Okay. There. So we have actually 0 degrees. The battery, how cold is the battery? 0 degrees Fahrenheit. And minimum, maximum centigrade. Let's see what the temperature of the battery is. Sorry it's taking so long. I can see the laser dot. Okay, here we go. That's minus 15.6, and let's check the battery. Minus 17.4. All right, let's see if we're gonna get this baby started this morning. Yeah, it's quite cold, and it was even colder last night. Hi. So here we are. Get my key out of my pocket. Okay. Okay, put the key in the ignition. Let it warm up. It's pretty cold, so let's see what it does. It's taking a bit longer to warm up. There, we got a click. See what it does. Make sure I'm in neutral. Nope, that's in gear. Okay, I'm in neutral. Step on the clutch. Haha. Yeah, we got a start. That's great. We're on to a good start. So let it idle here for a little bit. Jump out. Minus 16. It's warming up pretty fast. Yep, it's warming up pretty fast. That's good. All right, I guess we can close the hood. And time to back out. Get that there. That's a lot of snow. Love the mirror. Those come in really handy. Ooh. That in reverse. Back it up. Are we gonna clear that? Barely making it. Barely. You gotta be careful with that. It's pretty tall. And we're inside. Thanks for watching. Second part is coming.